I'm going to restore my headlights. That one's really bad. That one's starting to get bad. I'm going to use Lens Clear. I've used it before and it works really well and it stays clear. Use gloves. Step 2. That is a huge improvement. Huge. And that will stay like that. It won't, it's not just a one-off like spraying it with WD-40 or something like that. This one looks a little bit more yellow because that side is the original and that one was a newer one because this car had an accident. Pretty pleased with that. Lens Clear. Cost me $40 on eBay. Give it a try.